Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be looking at the new features that 2023 WhatsApp has, like the newest updated feature, especially as regards to text. And also I'm going to teach you how to easily search for emojis. Sometimes you might want to convey a feeling through emoji, but you may not really know how to do it, or you may not know what each emoji sign stands for. So I'm going to teach you how to easily search for it, and know which one to use. So I'm just trying to go over the different emoji signs that we have. And then, okay, here is the flags. So if you look down, you see the search bar, you see this search icon down here. So when you click on it, you can type out something, maybe Nigeria for instance. If it's Niger yet, that's why we still have the Niger sign. But when you type Nigeria, you can easily get Nigerian flag. So apart from Nigeria, when you type something else, maybe like morning, tea, good morning, whatever it is, so love, hate, anger, school, home, whatever you want to express, once you type it, it's very easy for them to bring out the signs that shows what that thing is, so that go and use emoji signs that you don't know what they stand for. And people that don't really know, that you're ignorant of what each stands for, will start bashing you. So I hope with this you would use your emojis better. Okay, so apart from that, you can as well change the color of your status. It's not every time green status. Some colors make it ineligible, make it hard for you to read what someone posted. And now if you notice, the text, they've increased the number of fonts that they have on the text. Apart from that too, when you add pictures like it is on Facebook, now you can type on your pictures, you can do so many things on your pictures. And this is if you just updated your WhatsApp as you're watching this video now. If you've not updated your WhatsApp, go to Google Play Store and update your WhatsApp. So if you want to crop, you crop. Go to the stickers. You can also search for stickers here, or you just go back. Then you can switch between stickers and emoji. And then when you choose a particular sticker, maybe I took this picture with someone, I want to hide the person's face and show only my own. So once I touch this particular emoji, I can increase it. Or I want to hide something, like if you notice in this picture, there's this waist here, I want to hide it. So I can choose emoji. I can switch between emoji or stickers to use and hide something or an information that I don't want others to see. Apart from that, there are other ways to do so. I can also add text to my image, like you have it on Facebook and Instagram. You can now do so on WhatsApp, and also choose the particular kind of font that you want. Can center it, can change it, can go over the color stick and choose a particular color that you want. Then you place it. You can also reduce it, like the way you also do to your Facebook text. Once you type on your Facebook story or Instagram story, you can use your hand to just shrink it a bit, and it will be like that. So you can also add time sticker. It's up to you. If you don't want to add it, just delete it. Now another thing too is if you click on edit, you see that this is a very tiny doodle. You can choose if you want to hide something. Maybe I want to hide the hand of my bag now. I can decide to choose a particular color that fits this t-shirt I'm wearing, and then clean it. So I'm just going over the different styles or the different weights of the doodle mark, and you can change the color. If you don't want it, you can just click on undo and undo. Then I usually use this mosaic. This is like my best when it comes to hiding features. I use it to hide like in this picture, I use it to hide some of the things on my background that I don't want to show on my picture. I'll just use it to hide them, and then if I'm okay with it, I'll just click on done. The things I don't want, I'll delete. So that's just about that. Then you can type whatever you want to type. If you don't want to type anything, or you just post your emoji or your picture like that. So that is just it. Also, you can check for filters if you are the type that likes filters on your phone. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you next Thursday with a new video. Check out the shorts, you enjoy them.